Welcome to the i-ROM Modelbuilder installation guide. Please go to our website, open the contact form and fill it out. Accept the terms and conditions and submit the form. You will get an email from us with the download links for the installer, an installation guide and our user manual. Click on the download link. Open the i-ROM download executable and follow the instructions. Please select the first option to register for your license. In order to run the i-ROM Modelbuilder, MATLAB is required in the background. If you have multiple MATLAB version installed, then you can manually select your favorite one. Now your basic hardware information is ready to personalize your license. Enter your personal information and a summary will be shown on the screen. The data are automatically transferred to a text file. Please be careful and don't change the file name and the content of the registration file. Send the file via email to support@irom.de and we will create a license for you as soon as possible. After you received our email, start the download executable again and select the second option to download the license. Normally MATLAB runs best without admin rights, therefore we recommend to install the Modelbuilder in your personal app data folder. It appears a shortcut icon on your desktop. Start the software for a quick test run. Open the accelerometer example from your projects folder. Click on Build Solids to get a 3D models of the MEMS example. Click on Build ROM to get a simulation model. Run a modal analysis and compute the first 6 eigenmodes. Scale the eigenmodes properly and start the animation. Now you can try out other examples from the project folder or create your own simulation models.